Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Just Pay interview experience and today Nesarg with us. He will share his interview experience that how he cracked the Just Pay online exam and the interview process. So today's video is related all about the interview experience and this is journey of tier 3 college to product based MNC in the college placements here. So this video is very helpful for the candidates that are preparing for the upcoming off-campus drive or that are preparing for the placements. So let's start the video and I'm just adding the Nisarg on this stream and let's start the today's live session. Hello Nisarg, how are you?
Hello Lokesh Bhaiya, I'm fine. How are you?
Fine, also fine. And first of all, congratulations from online learning team that you are selected for the Just Pay interview. Means you are selected for the Just Pay process. And as we know that this is the product-based MNC, and as I already said that this is the journey of Tier 3 college to product-based MNC. So Nisarg, give your
Thank you.
brief introduction about yourself that how you cracked this product-based MNC from Tier 3 college.
Hello guys. Actually, my name is Nisarg Trivedi, and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Vishwakarma Government Engineering College, Ahmedabad. And JustPay was a on-campus opportunity provided by my college. Yes, that's what it is.
Okay, okay. So, how do you get about to this opportunity? As you say that this is on-campus opportunity,
Yes.
but how many rounds were there, and what is the first online test after that
Mhm.
interview? Please explain in brief.
Okay. Uh,
Yes.
to explain in brief, I would say that there were actually three rounds of interview process. First
Okay.
round was a coding round.
Yes.
The second one was a learnathon. Actually, it's kind of a hackathon in which we had to learn some new concepts and one new whole new programming language. And the third one is
Okay.
technical interview plus HR interview.
Okay. So, Nisarg, as you can say that there is an means the hackathon first, and after that there is an interview. But there is coding part or not? Means in the hackathon,
Yes.
what are the some topics that they ask in the coding round or in the hackathon?
First one was the coding round, and in coding
Okay.
round, I think JustPay asks questions related to graph most probably. So
Okay.
the same was asked to us. The three questions were there to from graphs, and after
Okay.
shortlisting from first round, we are able to come into a second round, which is a learnathon, in which
Okay.
we had to learn a new language called PureScript. I think
Okay.
PureScript is mainly a very new language to every student out there.
Yes. Yes.
So JustPay is basically use functional programming a lot. So
Okay.
to learn PureScript, they had given learning material, and we were given 2 days, I think, to learn the PureScript. And after 2 days,
Okay.
there was a hackathon started from 11 o'clock in morning and till 9:30 o'clock in night. In the learnathon, we are given a problem related to cube rotation problem, in which we were assigned 5 to 6 tasks, which
Okay.
we are supposed to code it into PureScript and display it to the buddy assigned to us. The main thing is here is the buddy is very helpful to us. The one
Okay.
buddy will be assigned to us from JustPay team, and he or she will be very helpful. Like my buddy was very helpful to me. She had helped me throughout the process. So that was
Okay.
it. I think I cleared the learnathon with the help of only my buddy, because
Yes.
without
Yes.
her, I wouldn't be able to.
They will explain all the procedure very
Yes,
clearly what are in
yes.
that. So
And
my
they will solve
third,
our doubt
yes,
as well
yes, okay, okay,
related
so
to
they
pure
will
script.
clear all your doubts. Okay, so
Yes,
my so my the third question is related, how many questions are in the learnathon or the hackathon?
there were actually 5 to 6 questions in learnathon.
Okay.
Actually, it was a kind of problem statements which we are supposed
Okay.
to implement new features in the cube rotation problem, or release the new feature, or tell the logic to our body and all.
Okay. So the first point is that you have to just put the solution in that problem statement, and
Yes,
after that there is a technical plus HR interview.
yes, yes.
So tell about your experience of technical interview. Yes, yes. Continue.
Technical interview was they were mostly asked about my projects and plus my internship. I had
Okay.
done two internships till that time, so they had asked me about questions on my projects plus my internship. And if
Okay.
time is remaining, then they will surely ask some kind of questions on DSA as well. I was asked
Okay.
two questions on DSA, like one first one was from tree and second one was from I think graph, and I
So
didn't
what
code it.
are the questions for the particular tree data structures?
Uh, Maybe I can reveal. I think.
Okay, okay. So like after that completing the technical round, so there is
Hmm.
a HR round. So what are
Yes.
the number of days of means what are the number of gaps of day in between the technical round and the HR
No.
round?
Technical round plus HR round were combined.
Okay, means the both round are same on that day.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and they are both are combined. So
Combined.
means
They
after
will
clearing technical round, there is a HR round or technical plus HR round in one go.
technical plus HR round in one go.
Okay, okay, okay. So it
And
will be very clearly to
yes,
candidates like technical plus HR in the one round.
yes, and they will surely ask puzzles, mathematical
Okay,
puzzles, which were very
okay,
famous. You can find some puzzles on Geeks for Geeks site. Go through it,
okay.
and you will surely
Okay.
crack the coding interview. It's not that much
Yes,
hard.
we all know about that Geeks for Geeks website is very good for solving the puzzles and for solving the technical problems.
Yes.
So there is very one important point that so many candidates are from tier 3 colleges and they want to prepare the placements for the product based MNC or for the some of the top MNC. So what are the advices according to you that are related like how to prepare for the placements in the second or third year and how to prepare for placements in the ongoing year also?
Okay. Let's divide it to three categories: second year, third
Okay,
year, and fourth year.
okay,
If you are in last year, I would
okay,
suggest do some great projects in latest
okay.
technologies like in Node or in anything like in Scala or Android, anything. But
Yes,
pick one great project and just start applying to startups. Startup has are really good. I like in
yes,
this time. If you can't find any product based companies, then startup is also good, and
yes.
start applying to LinkedIn. I see many
Okay.
students are not on the LinkedIn, and if they are
Yes,
on the LinkedIn, they are using it just for scrolling through the stuff. They are not using it in
yes,
proper way. So start using
yes,
LinkedIn in proper way. It's a very useful platform for all of us. And
yes,
if you are from third year, I would suggest do some great projects plus as well as start learning DSA.
yes.
You can learn DSA in
So
any of
what,
the
how are you can prepare for the DSA means? What are the learning resources that you used
if
for
uh,
learning the DSA?
if I started my journey from in DSA in my third year. It was very
Okay.
late for it at that time, so I
Yes,
started coding in Python. But if you are in second year or first year, then start learning C++ or Java. It will be very useful in the DSA. And if you
yes, yes,
otherwise language doesn't matter. But
yes,
if you are from first or second year, then start learning C++ or Java. After completing
yes,
C++ or Java, uh, go to any YouTube channel. You will find a lot of DSA shit
yes,
at YouTube of many YouTubers. Famous YouTubers
yes,
were there,
yes,
and
yes,
start learning from it topic by topic. Like first topic is array, then start learning array and do all the questions from that sheet on the array or
yes,
based on the array on and practice on late code and gigs for gigs. If you have
okay,
much time, then start coding on CodeChef and code as well as code forces. If you don't have that much time, then just start solving problems on late code and gigs for gigs. You will surely be able to crack the companies.
okay.
But oh yes.
Yes, yes. So means this is the complete description that how you can prepare means how to prepare for the placements that is in the third year, second year, or fourth year. So my next question is that is related to what are the some good projects ideas and what is your project in means your ongoing year and that you mention in your resume.
Okay. Uh,
Okay.
Actually, when I started learning coding, actually, I'm from electronics and communication, so I started
Okay.
learning coding in the last year, in lockdown itself, March
Okay.
2020 around.
Yes. Yes.
So I started
Yes.
learning Python. So I first go deep into machine learning part. So I had 1 to 2 machine learning related projects, and one research project was there. Research
Yes.
project is around fake news classification using deep learning and natural language processing. Other one
Yes.
was driver's drowsiness detection. If the driver is feeling drowsy, then the sensor or say Arduino or Raspberry Pi will alert the driver, and so its project was around that. And other than that, I had a
Yes.
e-commerce website.
Nisarg, what are the what are the feedback to the online learning channel that how this channel are helpful in your preparations and the other points?
I would say that if you are from Tier 3 college, then start following online learning channel, because the Lokesh Bhaiya is doing very a great initiative to bring the new opportunities to everyone, and especially if you are from Tier 3 college, then many MNCs will not come to your campus, or any local MNC will come to your campus. So it will be very useful to start following online learning channel and be a regular follower of it, because Lokesh Bhaiya is regularly posting 2 to 3 videos in a day. So start applying in every
Thank you so
opportunity
much.
that Lokesh Bhaiya posting.
Thank you so much for your great feedback and thank you so much for coming to channel for sharing your valuable interview experience with us.
Thank
So
you.
thank you so much and wish
I would
you
also
best
thank
of
you
luck for
to.
your next journey.
Okay. I would also thank you to for having me in this conversation. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. This is all about video for the candidates that are very helpful for the candidates.
Mhm. And one
Thank
last
you
tip,
so much. Yes, yes,
uh, one last tip is have faith in God, because
yes,
having faith in some spiritual concept will help you a lot. Because I think my spiritual guru is Haribrata Swami Maharaj, so
yes,
it helps in some way. So I
yes.
think
In some way, it
yes,
will be very good for. Yes, yes.
yes.
Thank you so much for coming to
Thank you.
channel.
Okay, okay.
Okay.